This light, you can call it the spotlight or garden light. It has the 10 watts, 20 watts or 30 watts. This light is the 10 watts. You can see that. Can be on the dress, this is the spirals. Take the dress according to your needs. Like that. Like that. How to use? Now I invite the product manager to show you how to use.
There are three
I'm loving living
brightness. You see, 10 watts. It's very small size. Okay, it's very. It's waterproof and IP65. This is just 10 watts. So this is struggle. It's a small size and it is very good quality. This floodlight you generally have not with the plug. Why they not have it together with the plug? Because generally this product is using on the outside, so you need to use it on one.
my dreams. I am not so far away from home. What am I in a world so
The lighting effect, you can see that.
my life all the time so far